how to create Reddit account on Android. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Reddit app. If you guys don't have that app, you guys can download it from Play Store. So simply click on Reddit app. Once we click here you guys will see continue with Google, use email or username. So simply we will simply select continue with Google. Once we click on continue with Google, here you guys will select your Google account where you want to create your Reddit account. After that you need to wait for some seconds. Now here it will say create your username. So simply create your username. Now I will simply click on continue. Here select, or you guys can skip, so I'll simply skip. Now here you guys will select your interest, so I'll simply select two random. After that click on continue. Now wait for some second. Here we go. Our Reddit account was created. That's how you guys can create Reddit account in Android. Thanks for watching.